Hello, digital explorers. In the vast realm of technology, there's a space where art meets AI and history intertwines with innovation. Today, we're venturing into this fascinating crossroad. We'll craft lifelike avatars, voice their timeless wisdom, and bring them to life in a dance of pixels and sound. Ready to transform inspiration into visual magic? Let's begin. Step 1. Crafting the inspirational visual with Leonardo.ai. Begin your journey at Leonardo and sign up using your email. Once inside, select AI Image Generation. Change the input dimension to 768 by 1024 for optimal portrait size. Set the number of images to generate as 4 to have multiple options. For our visual, input one of the following prompts. Wise man looking straight at the camera, hyper-realistic, dark background. Create a hyper-realistic portrait of an old Chinese monk, embodying wisdom and serenity. Leonardo.ai will process your requests and present a series of images for each prompt. Choose the avatar that resonates most with the envisioned wisdom and serenity. Upscale the chosen avatar to enhance its quality and details. Once upscaled, download the avatar for further use. Step 2. Crafting an inspirational quote with ChatGPT for the younger generation. With your visual avatar in place, it's time to craft a message that speaks directly to the hearts of the younger generation. Head over to ChatGPT. Input a prompt seeking wisdom that the wise old man or the old Chinese monk might share with teenagers and young adults. ChatGPT will generate a series of quotes based on your directive. Select the quote that best captures the essence of your avatar and resonates with the aspirations and concerns of the younger generation. Step 3. Bringing the quote to life with 11 Labs. With your inspirational quote at hand, it's time to give it a voice that resonates with its wisdom. Navigate to 11 Labs for text-to-speech conversion. Input the selected quote from ChatGPT into the platform. Browse through the available voice options, seeking one that embodies the wisdom and serenity of an old Chinese monk or wise man. Proceed with the text-to-speech conversion once you've found the perfect voice. Download the generated audio file, ensuring it's in a format compatible with your video editing software. Step 4. Animating the avatar and adding voiceover with DID. With your visual avatar and voiceover ready, it's time to bring them together in a captivating animation. Head over to DID, click on Create Video and upload the avatar you crafted in Leonardo.ai. Once uploaded, you'll have options to animate the avatar. Choose animations that align with the wisdom and serenity of your character, ensuring the movements are subtle and reflective. After setting the desired animations, it's time to add the voiceover. Upload the audio file you generated with 11 Labs. Ensure the voiceover syncs well with the avatar's animations, making adjustments as needed. Preview the combined animation and voiceover to ensure everything flows seamlessly. Once satisfied, finalize and download the animated video. Step 5. Editing and enhancing in CapCut. With your animated video from DID in hand, it's time to refine it in CapCut. Open CapCut and import your video. To generate captions, first click on the text option. From there, select Auto Captions. This action will prompt CapCut to create captions for your video based on the voiceover automatically. Once the captions are in place, change the font to give it a unique touch. Click on the generated captions, then select the font option and choose a font you like. Next, animate the captions for added flair. Click on Animation and select the pop-up discoloration effect. To make your captions pop, activate the stroke and shadow options. This will provide depth and prominence to your text. After making all your edits, preview the video to ensure everything aligns perfectly. Once satisfied, save or export your masterpiece. And that's a wrap from me, folks. We've traveled through time, merging the wisdom of ages with the marvels of modern technology. As you venture ahead, remember the magic we've unlocked today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep creating.